Four basic computer periods. The pre-mechanical age 3000 BC to 1450 AD. The earliest age of technology has been dated back to the pre-mechanical age between 3000 BC and 1450 AD. Human beings at that time primarily communicated with each other using simple picture drawing called petroglyphs. They created this drawing on rocks. Writing an alphabet, petroglyphs, sign or simple figures carved in rock. First human communicated only through speaking and pictures drawing. Around 2000 BC, Phoenicians created symbols. So nag-create ni sila sa bato, drawing nila para masabtan nila sa ang ilang kuan sa bato ng what we call this language. Cave paintings from Lascaux, France 15,000 to 10,000 BC. Lascaux is famous for its Paleolithic cave paintings found in a complex of caves in the Dordogne region of southwestern France. Because of their exceptional quality, size, sophistication, and antiquity, estimated to be up to 2,000 years old, 20,000 years old rather. The painting consists primarily of large animals once native to the region. The first calculator. So mao ni siya ang first calculator sa China or sa I don't know sa Pilipinas, sa tibok nasod sa una. Abacus was man's first recorded adding machine invented in Babylonia and populars in China. Mechanical age. First information explosion. By 1440, Gutenberg had established the basic of printing press, including the use of a mobile, reusable set of type, and within 10 years he had constructed a working prototype of the press. In 1454, Gutenberg put his press to commercial use, producing thousands of indulgences for the church. So, mauni ang printing press sa una. So, dali ra kaayo. Medyo dugay siya pero unlike karon nga kuha na lang dili na kinahanglan ni computer na mo kuan mo dala. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage mo ni siya ang father of modern computers. Charles Babbage is credited with having conceived the first automatic digital computer. During the mid-1830s, Babbage developed plans for the analytical engine, although it was never completed, but the analytical engine would have had most of the basic elements of the present-day computer. Gottfried Leibniz. He invented snip reckoner that could multiply 5-digit and 12-digit numbers, yielding up to 16-digit numbers. So, daramon siya ang calculator sa una. Ano siya ang calculator? Imbento ni si Gottfried. The Steve Reckoner expanded on the French mathematician philosopher Blaise Pascal. So, ideas and did multiplication by repeated addition and shifting. Lady Ada Augusta Lovelace Bryan. First computer programming. So, siya di ay ang kinunahang bayi nga computer programmer. Her scientific work, which is outstanding regardless of the person behind it, about a century before Konrad Zuse designed the first programmable computing machine in the 1840s. Ada Lovelace wrote the first computer program in the world. So siya gyud ang kinaunahang gisuwat sa computer program in the world.
The electromechanical age, the beginning of telecommunications, volt, voltaic battery. First electric battery known as voltaic pile, invented by Alessandro Volta, Italian physicist whose invention of the electric battery provide the first of source of continuous current. Mo ni siya nag-invento da telegraph. Samuel F. B. Morse conceived of this version of an electromagnetic telegraph 1832. His discovery soon changed the way the messages are sent and received in the entire world, and even today Morse code is still in use in various areas of radio communication. Morse code. His discovery soon changed the way the messages are sent and received in the entire world, and even today Morse code is still used in various areas of radio communication. Alexander Graham Bell, telephone and radio. 1879 developed the first working telephone. Alexander Graham Bell is the best remembered as the inventor of the telephone. He invented other devices too. The Bell developed several sonic technologies including the photophone 1880 and the graphophone 1886. He also developed medical technology. So mo ni siya nagpa-develop dahil mo ni siya ang ginaunan nga nagbuhat og telephone o radio. Sa electronic age ba? Mo ah?
Mana ka?
Ikaw mabasa ni sa stop niyo no?
Oh,
Electronic age ba?
gianan nimo sa kamot. Tabunan sa nimo.
Oo, gabi na wala pa.
Wala pa. Di na ha.
Wala pa post na. Electronic Age. Konrad Zuse 1941 built the first programmable computer called Z3. His greatest achievement was the world's first programmable computer, the functional program control. Turing complete Z3 became operation in May 1941. The world's first functional program control Turing complete computer, the Z3 in 1941. John Atanasoff and Clifford Berry. The Atanasoff-Berry computer ABC was the first automatic electronic digital computer. The ABC priority is debated among historians of computer technology because it was neither programmable nor Turing complete. The father of the computer, October 4, 1903, June 15, 1995. Clifford Berry and Atanasoff Berry computer, the ABC 1942 was possible the first electronic digital computer. Clifford Edward Berry, April 1918, October 30, 1963, helped John Vincent Atanasoff create the first digital electronic computer in 1939, the Atanasoff Berry computer ABC.